Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Let's tap on it, of course. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find Build Number and tap on it. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to this left section and tap on the system, which is right above the About Tablet. Then scroll down and enter Developer Options, and here scroll down a little bit to find Automatic System Updates. If you've got this option turned off, simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the updates whenever it will be restarted, and of course whenever the update is available. Of course, you can also turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.